All right, Thursday, September 28th. So 4-hour chart SPY, still in this downtrend, but we did have a really big lower wick forming yesterday on this 4-hour candle. It's a really bullish bar, really bullish candle yesterday. It came down here at this 422.30 mark and then had a complete reversal. I'll open up the 15-minute chart so you can see that complete reversal from yesterday. So sold off way down here, complete reversal, pretty much closed where it opened, a little bit below that. And has gapped down a small bit this morning, and it's just chopping around this point of control. So really bullish candle yesterday, so we're going to be looking for a couple levels to hold. First one, this POC, which is also corresponds to a daily line, this 425. I'm going to be looking for a reaction off of this level, and then there's this big imbalance fill that was left over from yesterday afternoon's price action. So I'm going to be looking for this imbalance to fill as well. Got a couple of pivots here. These blue lines are pivots, and then these yellow lines are daily lines. So I'm going to be looking for some reactions off of these levels and see if we can possibly break out of yesterday's highs around this 428 mark. If not, I'm going to be looking for this imbalance fill on here down at this 423 level. Okay, trade recap. Ended up making 2 trades as we rejected off of this daily pivot right here. Ended up taking some puts and ended up stopping out when this came back up and broke this daily pivot for a small loss. Second trade I took is when we came up here to this line, which was, I believe, a daily pivot as well as a daily line combined. Ended up taking some puts as we kept rejecting off of this level and sort of chopped around a bit. Ended up adding once more as we broke this swing low right here and ended up taking this trade off right down here at this level. So that ended up being a nice winner. So overall P&L for the day is 55 bucks. Like I said, the first trade was about a $50 loser. Second one was about a $100 winner. So it ended up being about a $55 green day. But the levels really didn't hit so much today. This one did work out. We did reject off of this one several times, but the entries could have been a little bit better and my exits could have been a little bit better. So it was all about trade management when I had these puts right here. That's why I ended up taking a loss, because my trade management wasn't that great. And then this one right here was actually a nice winner by here, but I ended up having to struggle through this chop right here, and finally it broke down. And as you can see, we're bouncing right off of this same level where we were hovering around earlier. So ended up taking a nice winner on that one. Overall P&L is $55 today. Again, I'm keeping it small. I'm not taking any crazy amounts of contracts right now until I get this strategy down a little bit better. But that's pretty much going to do it today. So thanks again for watching the video. Leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Consider subscribing. As always, we'll see you next time.